since I've met you, so I thought that why not making one video, but making a series of videos so that you can meet me anytime you like. So let's have a series of science experiments, right? Okay, so the first science experiment in this video is the floating candle. Yes, let's do the floating candle. So you will need a plate with half water and you can put ink, food color, or you can put poster color. You need a transparent glass like this one and a candle. So let's get started. First we put the candle in the plate. Please do this under adult supervision. That's important because if you get burnt, it's not going to be good. Now we put the glass on top. Just look and watch what happens. Now see, a little water is coming. So that means that oxygen gets trapped in the glass and the candle burns it all. So carbon dioxide increases and the flame of candle turns off. Low pressure is created in the glass, which rises up the water inside the glass and makes the candle to float. That would happen. Now see, the candle has the flames are off, as I told you, and starting to rise. Let's take it out. It's gonna be I should to take it out. Yep, that's it. For now, bye. Please do like, subscribe, and share.